Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about the logger file. What is logger file? Why we use logger file, and how to implement the logger file. Okay, we are going to do this practically in the Spring Boot project. And firstly, before that, we will understand what is logger and why we use logger. Okay, so you can see that what is logger in Spring Boot. In Spring Boot, a logger is a utility that is used to record a log information about the application execution. It helps to developer monitor and troubleshoot the application by capturing various type of messages or events such as error, warning, and information message. Logging is an essential component of an application development for the debugging and monitoring purpose. Spring Boot uses various logging frameworks like Logback, Log4j, and Java Util Logging, and provide a common abstraction layer to configure and use them in a standardized way. Okay, and developers can use logger to write message to different log level. You can write at debug, info, warn, error, and configure the log output destination, example in console file remote server, to meet their specific need. This help in a diagnosis issue, tracking the flow of the application and ensuring it behaves as expected. Okay, and you can see this is the example how we can implement the logger file inside the Spring Boot project. Private static logger log is it is just object log manager dot get log and this class. Okay, in which class you are going to implement. You can use log info, debug, warning, error, or fatal. This type of like that we are going to implement. Okay, why should we use logger? Logging is essential to understand the behavior of the application and to debug the unexpected issue or for simply tracking event. In the production environment, we can't debug issue without proper log file, as they become the only source of information. Debug some intermittent or unexpected errors. Okay, and how we are going to implement, let's see, we are going to do it practically, so we will do it practically. Okay, now let's start to implement in a Spring Boot project. Okay, you can see that this is the Spring Boot project. Okay, we already created a lot of classes, address, and student, teacher. Okay, till now we learned lot of things. Now we are going to implement logger. Okay, how we are going to do this? So firstly we have to add the dependency in the pom.xml file. Okay, this is the pom.xml file inside the Spring Boot project. Here here firstly we have to add the dependency. Okay, which dependency? Let's come on the Google Chrome and search here log4j log dependency maven. Okay, and you can click here log4j maven. Okay, after that you can copy from here. Okay, from this portion you can copy. Okay, this both log for dependency you can copy. Log4j API, log4j core, control C. Then I came to the pom.xml, and here inside you can paste it. Okay, then save it. Okay, after doing this, okay, it's building. Okay, no problem, it will take 30 seconds. Okay, no problem, let it build. Then you can use the logger files inside your Spring Boot project. Okay, let it be build. Okay, 16%. Okay, done, good, it has been done. Let's save it. Okay, now how we are going to implement this thing? We can implement this thing inside a controller class also, and in a implement class also. How we are going to do? I will implement in only one class, so you can understand easily after using this. Okay, for that, here what I have to do, here I have to write private static static. Okay, spelling logger, 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 control space, and logger force I want to implement this one. Okay, and log it is just object, and log, okay, sorry, here firstly log is equal to then log manager, yeah, this one log4j. Okay, yeah, you can see that it import the both file here. Okay, log manager get logger get logger. Okay, this one done. And inside the get logger we have to implement this class copy and paste inside control B dot class. Okay, done. So we had implement the logger. Now we have to how we can implement without writing information. So we can use just like a here I want to pass the log info. Okay, in this API log info as a string, this yeah, this one here. Okay, what is the use of this API? Firstly, let's see. Okay, this API, in this API we are implementing the logger file, and this API is used to add the details of address using the student ID. Okay, with the help of a student ID we are adding the address. So what type of message we can pass? That if successfully it will happen, so we can pass, yeah, hello money, hello money, you added the address of student successfully. Okay, good. Save it. And now let's implement in a implementation class also, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, here we can also implement. So for that, here we have to also write that static. Here we have to also write a sorry, private static. I can write private pi, okay, vat, private static, and logger control space, this logger I want, logger 4j, log is equal to log manager. Okay, log manager, this for log 4j I want, dot get. Go see, while importing, if you will import anything, so you can face an error. Okay, logger get logger, this one I want here. Okay, done. And here I have to paste this class name, control C, and here control D dot class. Okay, good, done. So control S, so you can see that which class we import. Okay, this thing. So be careful while importing anything. So in code, if you will import anything, so it will see. And now I'm going to pass the two type of logger. So firstly I will pass one error, or second I will pass for info. Okay, or warning you can pass. Okay, okay, log dot info. If you add it successfully, so this one. Okay, hello money, hello money, hello money, good job. Anything you can pass, it will, you can see the result in console. If anything happen wrong, if suppose I pass the student ID wrong, anything wrong, so it will not add, so it will throw this exception. While throw this exception, I want to pass the log file also, dot error. All right, okay, error, I'm going to pass this message. Okay, money, you didn't array, system is slow compared to my speed. Didn't you money, add you didn't add you didn't add address, please check. Anything, I'm just writing. Okay, save it. Okay, here we pass the error logger, here we pass the info. In address controller we already passed info, so now check it. Okay, run the project. So we can check that how we are going to implement the logger file inside the Spring Boot project. So it will be good. So I think it should run successfully. Okay, let it will take. Okay, let it be run so we can check it's running successfully or not. After seeing this video, normally you can easily use your logger files, and you can easily implement the loggers inside your Spring Boot project. Okay, okay, let it be run. Okay, good. Yeah, successfully it's running. So let's come to the swagger file here, and I have to write localhost this thing 8095 port number swagger dash ui dot index dot html. So what I have to do first, I have to add the address using the this API. In this API, you can use that logger file in all APIs. Okay, I use it only in one, just for the example purpose. Okay, okay. So let me put the student ID. Okay, student ID is 1, address ID 2, and city is Delhi, and state is Delhi, DL. Okay, okay, okay. Now execute it. Okay, okay, it's taking time, no problem. Successfully added. So we can see the logger information. Yeah, you can see info logger and info logger. What are you getting? Hello money, good job. Hello money, you added that address of student successfully. Okay, good. Now if see, I also pass the error logger file also, so we can check that those also. If I will pass the wrong student number, okay, student ID, okay, so I will get the error. Okay, see here I'm getting 500, and there what I will get here, I will something error logger file, what I am going to face. See, null pointer exception, see error logger I am getting. Here I am getting error logger, here I am getting this message, money you didn't add address, please check. Yeah, successfully it's happening. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I explained the logger file in well. So if you like that video, please please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.